Most of the hardware, the drill and the laboratory facilities that we had to take to the field, they were all built into basically regular shipping containers, like the ones that we put on ships to send things around the world. So we had two of these containers. One was for biology, the other one was for sediment work. And there were probably around 10 shipping containers that were full of the hardware that's needed to drill, the hot water drill. The complication also is that if we want to do microbiology, then all the samples we take have to be really clean microbiologically. You don't want to be introducing microbes from the surface, from people on the surface and so on, and then taking those samples. The drill was custom built to include a couple containers that were just focused with gear that was focused on cleaning up the water that was going down the borehole to make the borehole. And then there was a large drill platform that was built for this specific purpose. So altogether, most of that gear got to the field by a traverse. So they would have these huge, tractors going across the ice sheet and pulling. I think it was about 1 million pounds, so 500,000 kilograms of gear, including fuel and the hardware that's needed to drill and do the work in the field. I want to say altogether it's close to about 20 containers that we had on site, and that doesn't include the kind of life support facilities. Imagine basically what happened is within about 3 weeks we had to go into the field, which is located maybe, let's see, I want to convert it to kilometers, about 700 kilometers away from the research station. Go into a place that has nothing but snow and build a camp for supporting 50 people. So there was each person had individual tent for sleeping, small tent for sleeping, and then there were tents in which we could cook or we had cooks, but which we could eat and do some of the science in warm conditions. Large tents, like military style tents, and then the traverse itself was a lot of hardware. So I compare that to kind of going into a pristine snowy place and within 3 weeks building a small factory and then breaking it down after you're done.